Welcome to another episode of Quick Question with top producing Twin Cities realtor Dave Oswald. Now, join Dave as he answers your questions about residential real estate.
Here's an important question. Other than the commission, what other expenses should we expect when we sell our home? There's several, and I'm going to outline those right now. Second part of the commission, which is known as the fixed portion of the commission, can range anywhere from $350 to $600. It depends on the brokerage that you've aligned with to sell your home. In my case, that would be Coldwell Banker Burnett. At our company, that fixed portion of the commission is $499. You can expect that, regardless of which brokerage you use, to be part of the commission. There's the variable part that everybody talks about, the 6%. That floats with what the actual sale price of the home is, and then there's the fixed portion, the $399 in our case. Also, you can expect to pay any seller incentives that have been added to the deal, such as a contribution to the buyer's closing costs. Oftentimes that's either a percentage, 2.5% or 3% or 3.5%, or it's a fixed amount. $5,000, $10,000. It's just another way of discounting your home and creating an incentive for a buyer. But that would be deducted from the proceeds at your closing. Any property tax proration. So if it depends on when you close during the year and if you've paid your property taxes, and then the proration of the taxes for the first 2 months, you might have to pay those at closing as well, or whatever the time of the year is that you actually close. So expect that to come out of your proceeds, because we pay those taxes in arrears. Payoff processing fee to the title company. If they are paying off a mortgage or 2 mortgages, you'll have a payoff processing fee, which is typically around $50 or $55, and that'll go for every lien that you have on the property. You have to have a closer that will close the file, make sure all the title work is right in line and that all the lien holders get paid and they handle the money in the transaction so that all those mortgage companies are paid off. That closer is going to cost you, at least with the title company that I use, $360. It varies from $350 to $450, depends on the transaction and the complexities therein. Recording fees to the county. Every time they record the transfer of a title or the satisfaction of a mortgage, that's $46. There will be transfer taxes in the county that I do a lot of work in Dakota County. It's $3.30 per thousand. So if we sell your home for $200,000, you can expect that there will be a transfer tax of $660. $3.30 per thousand. If we go across the river into Hennepin County, it's $3.40 per thousand. Then, of course, your mortgage payoff. If you owe money on your home and we sell it, that mortgage or mortgages has to be paid off. Also, any special assessments. If there's a special assessment that is not being paid by the buyer, you have to pay that off. And then lastly would be any mechanics liens. Let's say that you've recently had some repairs done by a general contractor and they filed a mechanics lien against your property so that they would be guaranteed payment. If that still exists at the time of closing, the title company will make sure that that contractor gets paid. So that gives you an outline of the things that might come off the seller's proceeds in addition to the commission. I hope this was helpful. I'm Dave Oswald. We'll see you next time for another answer to a quick question.
Have a quick question about residential real estate? Email it to us at quickquestion@daveoswaldhomes.com.